Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on SEI. Few days ago, the price of SEI has broken out this very long-term falling wedge pattern on the daily time frame chart. And after the breakout from this wedge, the price has also broken out this very long-term resistance line as well. That starts from $20.20 and goes to 22 cents. That has been acting as a resistance line here for several days or weeks. Before that, has been acting as support, and now again, it is acting as a support as well. And I would also like to show you another breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern as well. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I have also shared the link for the trading signal report for the previous month of April 2025 in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal like this, the trade setup or order, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup and then it will take you to the TradingView chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, like this signal I shared on 17th of April 2025. And here you can also find the complete trade setup, buying zone, sell target zone, and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click here. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and rallied to the sell target zone. Now, let's move to the live chart of SEI. And first of all, let me show you this recent breakout from this falling wedge pattern. You can see that since after 20th of November 2024, it has been moving inside this wedge. We had a bounce here, few rejections here, almost had another bounce here, rejection here. Then we had few more touch points at the support. Then we had another bounce. Then we got uh, several more rejections here. And then we had another bounce, rejection, bounce, and finally the price and broke out the resistance of the wedge. And price and retested the previous resistance of the wedge as support and now geared up and broke out the next long-term resistance zone. That starts from 20 cents and goes to 22 cents. That was previously acting as a resistance on here. For several weeks, it had been breaking as a resistance zone. And here it has been acting as a support zone and support zone. And now again, it is acting as a support. You can see that for the past few days, the price and is retesting this previous resistance zone as a support zone that starts from 22 cents and goes to 20 cents. And in case of a successful retest, soon it can hit the next long-term resistance of 32 cents. And by the way, this 32 cents has been previously working as a support here. Not here. Yes, here. It had been breaking as a support. And before that, it had been acting as a resistance here, and almost as a support here as well. And now if we take a look at the target for the breakout from this falling wedge pattern, that target is here at the top of the wedge. That will be approximately at 70 cents. And over there, we have another very long-term resistance as well. And by the way, this 70 cents has been previously breaking as a resistance here for several days and almost as a resistance here and resistance here as well. Therefore, again, it can act as a strong resistance. And there will be another very long-term downtrend and resistance that we will need to break out. You can see that it has been acting as a resistance here and resistance here for a few days. And again, it can act as a very strong resistance for the price line of SCI. Now, if you take a look at the target for the breakout from this previous falling wedge pattern, this one, that target will be here at the top of the wedge. That will be somewhere between $1 to $1.14. So this was the update so far. I hope that you'll like the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.